Hello friends, Namaskaram. So today we are back again with the AI SEO writing tools this time. And today we have a very fantastic tool done by my research. If you don't have a subscription, you can order, and whatever the plan you select, we will have unlimited use of this website info tool. Okay. So what this website is, we have email ID. You need to enter the mail ID with whatever email ID you have provided at time of ordering the AI SEO writing tools. Your main keyword can be one of the keyword with your city, the main keyword plus your main city. So suppose in my case it is Garage Door Miami, for example. Let me just pick some of the websites, random ones. So first of all, I will pick this because they have huge number of reviews, so of course they're doing well. So we are having Precise Door Miami, which is also ranking in number 1 in the sub. So I see this correlation many times that if your GBP is ranking in top 3, there is a huge chance you get another spot. Not everybody, but most of time you get another spot in the regular search. We open this second URL. We are not going to open this one because it is a Yelp page, but this one is good. So what I will do is, when we open the website, there is sometime extra parameter, but this is the exact URL. These extra parameter comes only when you open a GBP URL like we did here. So what I will do, I will just copy this first thing to this form. We have posted it here. We will go back again, copy the second URL, come back here. Again we have some extra parameter. I just want the home page. Okay, this is the third URL, so we can have this third URL here. I'm sorry, I need to copy them at right place. Let me just do it this way. Brand name, so ABC ABZ Garage Doors. Suppose this is my brand name. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to just fill in all these details. Make sure your keyword is having your primary city mentioned. And what is the purpose of this tool? Within say like 2 minutes, you are going to have the entire blueprint of your primary pages and primary locations you need to focus. Sometime you get that recaptcha error. Generally what I do personally is I just copy the data to another place before I do the refresh. So I'm copying it to my text editor, whatever the text editor you are using. Refresh the form now, and then you can just try to fill in everything back, copy paste. So just make sure when you do have the recaptcha error, you have it, and then you say I'm not a robot and you submit. So now the only thing we need to wait is say like a couple of 2 minutes, and we should have the mail with us with the entire the details. So I'm waiting for the mail to come, and I will show you once it's with me. Okay, so we have received the mail and it's giving us the data what we filled. So suppose you are using G-Site Factory or any other software which is a AI website creation software, you can use this prompt there. Or even if not, you can create your content based on this brief using the AI SEO writing tools for the pages. Other than the home page, I think the best would be if you create these primary service pages. So you have both of the choice. You can create one service page and then link them from here. But what I personally seen ranking more better is you create the home page based on this info for things to do in our content form, and then you create these subsections and you use it into the home page itself and link from the home page to all these individual pages. Suppose you want to do the child pages, then into the garage door repair, this page you can have these as extra pages. So this is also giving you the level 2 of the pages. Some of the services can have those sub pages. So these 4 are under garage door repair and these 2 are under garage door opener. So this is another thing it told us based on the competition and other factors taken care. Now suppose you can create area we serve and then Miami. Of course Miami is your main focus, so you can skip it if you want because your home page would be for Miami, but it also giving you approximately population and all those nearby cities. So this is a very good data, and let me just share you my way how I create the SEO content, which is super optimized. Okay, so what I will do, suppose I want to create my homepage content, then what I will do is I will just copy this main keyword here and this include all these services in outline. And what I will do, because I want to link all these services from the homepage, I will mention them here specifically. I will choose United States and I will put the brand name, whatever the example brand name in our case we have, and home page content. So this is my exact setting I will use for the homepage content using AI SEO Writing Tools app. Now suppose you want to create this another page which is actually, you know, the emergency garage door repair, for example, to say. I will put this keyword here, I will put this keyword here, and then I would say services page content. So this is how I will do this one. And suppose I want to create this one, I will do the same way. But when I create this particular page content, I will just do this one, and I will also see these sub services are part of this page. So what I will do is I will remove those extra words from there, and I will make sure my page is talking about these into the outline, mean the headers, etc. So this is the exact way how I will create this service page for garage door repair Miami. Maybe you can create your home page for garage door and maybe service page for garage door repair in this case. Now I have this one, so suppose I want to create this one page. Okay, then what I will do in this case, I will say these two are the sub pages, right? Include all these in outline, and then I will just remove the extra part. So this is exact way how I'm making sure my sub pages are given a context into the main page, and this is also another good way to create the content. Now I want to also give you how you will create this suppose North Miami page. Okay, garage door repair North Miami. I will do this, and then what I will do this is include all these in outline, because my service page has to be replica, my location page has to be replica, and including all the services I'm using. So that's why I have this, and service location page content. This is how I will run my local page content exactly. So if you follow these little bit till steps, I hope it would help, and I hope the very next time you are designing a website, or suppose you are not ranking well and you want to research out what can be your proper local site map for your website, then this is exactly the tool which we have created for your daily help. Even you can use this same structure for your Google site. I'm doing some case studies, so if you are having the G-Site Factory software from the ranking store, then of course you can try this structure for your exact mini website created on Google site. You can use this prompt on any AI web page builder or AI website builder you have. So this is how I think like it solves lots of our problem. We always have a client website coming with certain pages, but this kind of thing can actually help us deciding how to actually properly structure our website and what can be an ideal website structure. And once you go with this kind of structure, your results would be totally, at a next level, because you are covering and having a proper topical coverage, because our content tool does that. And then you are also having a proper topical map for your website along with the local context. So this is a huge case of this tool. I hope you like this tool. If you have not subscribed for the tool, log on to AI SEO Writing Tools and I see you in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.